Hello everyone, welcome to my new channel. My name is Shay Party Heart, and this is my intro video regarding what kind of videos you're going to see on my channel, as well as what got me started. I wanted to share my journey with all of you on what got me started with Indian cuisine. And it started back in 2017 when I tried it the first time. I was amazed on how delicious, flavorful, and the spices that quickly piqued my interest. I got my inspiration from my mother-in-law, who has always been there to support me and encourage me to make Indian dishes. The types of videos you're going to be seeing on my channel are going to be mostly Indian cuisine, as some other cuisines such as American, Italian, Mexican dishes, as well as some fusion dishes and some baking, since I'm a baker at heart. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. I will also have my social media in the description. So until next time, I will see you guys on the next video.